UCaaS versus CCaaS. Which cloud communications platform is better for your business? World-changing technologies against each other. Let's try to understand what they are. UCaaS, or Unified Communications as a Service, is a type of cloud-hosted solution that unifies different communication channels into one platform. It integrates telephony, video conferencing, and team messaging into one platform. This unified communications platform solves the problem of shifting from one solution to another whenever the user wants to use another channel. Now, let's explain CCaaS, or Contact Center as a Service. CCaaS is also a cloud-hosted service. It provides your business with the advanced capabilities to interact with your customers via inbound or outbound telephone campaigns. The two are very similar, but the main difference is that UCaaS mainly streamlines internal communications and collaboration, while CCaaS providers are more focused on streamlining and improving customer interactions for better customer experiences. So which one is better? Well, it all depends on what you need for your business. No matter which one you choose, remember that the future of this software and communications of the modern business are all about being scalable, flexible, and unified to provide the best customer experience across the board. Want to learn more? Visit plow.net/cloud and hosted voice to see which cloud communications platform is better for your business.